What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is the day after Christmas today and I'm with Ashton. What's up? And we are about to go hiking. We're gonna go over to Thad's house first. It is about 6 in the morning. It's decently cold outside, but you know, it's not gonna stop us. Sneak attack.
Garage's sensor is high AF.
We obtained the Thad.
The Thad has been obtained.
Are you cold?
Yeah, why are we hiking right now?
Because
it's windy as shit. It's like Hurricane Katrina out here.
Because we're awesome.
It's like Hurricane Tortilla.
Alright, let's go hiking. Dude, like, look at the sun. It's so bright.
It's so bright. My eyes hurt.
It's cold as...
Yeah, Max says, oh, let's stop and warm our up. And then we sit on the cold rock.
Yeah, I took my big red jacket off because it's way too warm now. I got too toasty. Oh yeah, I got that on cam.
Happens, bro. It'd be like that sometimes.
It'd be like that when you go hiking sometimes. Okay, time to continue the journey.
Nah, that. Let's stay here.
Top of the mountain, or this part at least.
Cold.
Now we get to go this way and go around.
Yeah.
Lit. Fun. And now we're gonna get cold again, so we're putting jackets back on. Alright guys, we just got down from there. Just point it over there. Dad got a drone yesterday. We might whip out the drone and shred the skies.
Shred the skies.
I don't know, that's how you say. I don't know the drone lingo.
I don't know it either.
Yeah,
Shred
we'll make
the
our own.
skies.
Let's go shred the skies.
Shred
But that's where we came from, that notch over there. So we're not even done yet, but enjoy these drone shots. Yeah, extra hangy stuff back. Okay. I'm hoping the drone stuff looks sick. I think it's gonna be sick.
It should. I mean, I'm still
that's like his first
beginning
fight,
drone
but
photographer, so we'll see.
As the channel moves on, they're gonna get better. Like,
oh, I'm gonna become
100%.
like a bad drone pilot.
Yeah, dude, freaking delicious. Now we get to go.
This thing is the new baby.
Yeah.
This is gonna be used a lot.
Yeah, but now, as you guys saw, we have to go down that way now.
And I'm cold again.
We need to start walking.
Yeah, we do.
Cold.
Yeah.
So let's move.
I'm not gonna put my layers back on because I know I'll get hot, but I'm cold right now.
Ashton just took a pee. We're moving on. We've had a lot of like
Fun.
tons of freaking like big rocks that we've been climbing up, so that's been interesting. But we're about to go through this crack and find Thad because he ran away from us.
We found Thad.
Yeah, we did. Big Thaddy daddy. Oh my.
We gotta go down this big cliff. Kind of.
Big rocks. Big
Rocks and
Socks.
Yeah, there you go.
yeah. We're rappers.
Didn't feel like whipping the camera out, so we're GoProing.
Yeah, GoPro.
Ashton. Oh, can't see him because the light is.
Top, welcome to GoPro.
Top of the morning, laddies.
Look at the sun. Yeah, we are going through this. Dude, did I crack this lens? Holy sh! I cracked it, dude. Look at it. It's sunny out here right now.
Let me see this crack.
Yeah, dude, you know what's funny is you can't see it through like the GoPro.
Yeah.
Until you leave it on your computer.
Really?
It's because it's more on the
Side.
on the side. That's the thing. I'll replace it though. You know. This thing. That's why I have the GoPro. I have the GoPro because it does GoPro things like sit in the pocket of my backpack and get cracked lenses. So yeah, that's always fun. All right, we're gonna continue. That was probably a really
GoPro test. Ready?
way too long clip. Like,
oh, it's fine.
GoPro things. All right, we just climbed up that gigantic hill. Not fun at all. Hey Ashton, how's it going? Car's down there. You can't really see it. It's really windy too, so you probably can't even hear me. But car is down there.
Car is black
So,
chode down on road.
Let's go to the car, because I'm kind of done with this. Yeah, literally, the last like 2 miles, because it was about 4 miles, right?
Yeah, four.
Dude, the last 2 miles, we were literally burning straight body fat because we're all starving.
Dude, I'm so hungry right now. Or sorry, I'm freaking so hungry right now.
All right, we're gonna go back. I think we're doing another thing that I think we're gonna build this car.
No, you can't put that in. It's gotta be surprise.
A surprise.
Well,
We're building a surprise thing.
I'll bleep it. We're building
Yeah,
a surprise.
It's gonna be sick. It's going in here. That
But
was cute.
we're gonna go get some fuel because we're starving. Oh my god, that was so gross! Alright guys, so basically what happened is this vlog was supposed to have another part, but it would have been probably like a 25-minute vlog, so I cut it, and I cut the part out because I didn't want the video to be too long and too boring. So this is just going to be like a hike, and what the surprise that we were talking about is going to be in the next episode. Enjoy this next clip where Thad licks my ear in slow motion.
Oh my god, that was so gross! Ah!